What if snoring was more than just noise? It could signal a hidden risk. Sleep apnea is common in seniors but often goes unnoticed. Signs include loud, chronic snoring with pauses in breathing. You might also see daytime fatigue, trouble focusing, or morning headaches. If left untreated, sleep apnea can cause high blood pressure, stroke, or even heart failure. It can greatly lower a senior's quality of life. But there is help. If you notice these signs, see a sleep specialist or an ENT doctor. Some people may need a CPAP machine to keep their airway open at night. Don't ignore the snoring. It could be a warning sign. Get checked if you or a loved one snores heavily. #sleep apnea awareness #senior health #snoring warning #better sleep #check your breath.